Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy this quick and easy makeup look. Go ahead and shape and fill in your eyebrows as needed. Now go ahead and conceal your eyebrows and make them look extra sharp. Grab your concealer once again and place it underneath your eyes, on your nose, or anywhere else you feel like you may need it. Now take your foundation and make sure you blend into the skin. Now take your translucent powder and make sure you press it into the parts where you put your concealer at. Now take your powder and apply it all over the face. Now line your eyes with a black eyeliner pencil. Now apply your blush at the bottom of your cheeks in the diagonal. Now apply your highlight on the tops of your cheeks, your nose, and anywhere else you may need it. Now go ahead and grab your lashes and take one lash and apply glue to it and allow that to get tacky, and then go ahead and pick up the other lash and allow that one to get tacky. Now grab your tweezers and then gently place them on top of your lash, and there you go. Apply your mascara to the bottom lash line. Now take your red lip liner and line the outsides of your lips. Take your red liquid lipstick and fill the insides of your lips. Apply concealer to the outsides of your lips to clean it up. fix your hair and make it look all pretty. Thanks so much, guys, for watching, and have a happy Valentine's Day.